Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a logo for your business on Logo Maker. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So in this video, we are just going to use this simple tool to create logo. So basically it is called Logo Maker or Maker. And here you will need just to edit a logo template so you can have it for your business and you will have a variety or a huge variety of templates that you can use. So let's just click on Start My Design and here you can create your own logo from the beginning to the end. So you will have the simple tools to use and you will be able to have some templates or you can have your logo from scratch. So let's just go for design templates and here you will find like a huge amount of design that you can try to use for your business. So just have a little study for your business and what color or what theme that would fit with your business and you will need just to create or choose templates from. So let's say that you have something related to IT or technology or anything uh, related to such a field. So you will need just to click on the templates and you will have this logo added. So you can just have the filling color that will be changed. You can have some radiance. You can change from radiance and from a big variety of radiance. So let's just have it something like that. And we will do, for example, IT science, not brain science, for example the name of your brand. We give it the same colors as we did. So it will be something like that. Let's just remove this one and give it like another blue and it will be something like that. And here your logo IT, you can remove it or add it and you can also add U shapes for your logo. It can be like a circle, a ring, or whatever. If you want to have it like in circle, something similar to this, and let's have like that. Let's have this. Then you will select this one, and of course you have this panel to control the layers. You can just select the layer and you can start controlling the layer however you want. You add text, etc. You can start painting your things, etc. So after that, you will need just to save your logo and you will process it and you can have the download option and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.